Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Many times I've bought a baguette, used some, but ended up with leftovers. A couple days later, I could have smacked someone in the head with it. Here's the simplest way to bring your bread back to life without hurting anyone. So my friends, let's get cooking. It's happened to all of us. After buying a baguette, French loaf, or artisan bread, either we don't use it at all or use only half of it and a couple days later, it becomes stale. Don't throw it away because there's an easy trick to bring it back to life so you can use the bread. Let's see how. So we'll turn on the faucet and run either cold or lukewarm water. It doesn't matter. Then stick our bread right under and wet it until moistened. The hotter your bread is, the more water it needs. If the bread has been used, try to keep the cut side away from the water. But if it gets a little wet, don't worry, it will still work. When that's done, we'll give it a good shake to remove any excess water. Now we'll place the wetted bread, see, this is how dry this thing is, on a piece of aluminum foil and roll it tightly, folding the ends as we go. Some don't use foil, but it reheats the bread and keeps the moisture inside as well. So to me, this method is better. From here, we'll transfer to a 300-degree preheated oven and bake for 15 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove the bread. Now, if yours was very hard like mine and you had to run it under water longer to get it moist, I suggest you remove the bread from the foil and return it to the oven for an extra 5 minutes so the crust gets crispy. Oh my, it smells like freshly baked. Look at this. The crust is nice and crispy. Let me bring it closer. There. The crust is crispy. The bread is hydrated, nice and warm, and ready to eat. Keep in mind that this quick fix will only last for a couple hours, so use it up fast. As you saw in this video, it's an easy method to revive your stale bread instead of throwing it in the garbage. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!